What if I told you that getting ahead of 99% of people is simpler than you think? It takes just 5 minutes a day. Stick with me through this video, and I'll share a step-by-step plan to achieve exactly that. You might be wondering why you should listen to me. I've had the privilege of working and studying alongside some of the most accomplished individuals in high-class environments. Coupled with years of research and personal experience, I've uncovered key strategies that can unlock success for anyone willing to learn. It all starts with a crucial realization. Most people are doing nothing to better themselves. They wake up, go to work, and do the bare minimum to get by. They find countless excuses to avoid doing what they know they need to do. It's a cycle of laziness, distraction, and chasing the wrong goals. In my apartment building, there's a free gym available to all residents. But despite its accessibility and the health benefits it offers, I often find myself alone there. Hundreds of people live in the building, but as I pass their units, I see them absorbed by their screens, TV, computers, and phones. It's like they're hypnotized by the glow of their devices. But it's a good thing because this distraction epidemic is a gift for those willing to rise above it. The concept of a small win is simple. It's a minor achievement requiring minimal effort. Most people don't bother with these, even though they're easy to incorporate into daily life. Choose the stairs instead of the escalator. Drink water instead of soda. Listen to an educational podcast instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media. These small wins are not hard, just slightly inconvenient. But they set you apart from the majority who remain in their collective comfort zone. Once small wins become second nature, it's time to embrace discomfort. This involves doing one uncomfortable thing each day. It might cause anxiety, but it's essential for growth. For instance, introducing yourself to a stranger or asking for feedback on your work. These actions push you out of your personal comfort zone, helping you build resilience. To reach the top 10%, you need to embrace pain. Pain differs from discomfort in its intensity. It's about doing something that truly challenges you, like a tough workout or facing a fear head-on. Pain is inevitable in life, but by choosing the pain you face, you control your growth. It's about intentional suffering for the sake of becoming stronger and more prepared for life's challenges. Getting ahead in life doesn't have to be a monumental task. By following this simple system, embracing small wins, discomfort, and pain, you can steadily climb the ladder of success. Remember, each step you take sets you apart from those who remain in their comfort zones. And because you watched this video till the end, you are now one step better than 99% of people. Thanks for watching, and until next time.